Nostalgic food and snacks from the 1990s. Part 3. Number 1. Dunkaroos.
The super duper deep dunk.
The long distance dainty dunk.
You can dunk a Dunkaroo in as much chocolate or vanilla frosting as you want. So, how do you do your Dunkaroos? And now we mix cool rainbow sprinkles with our creamy vanilla frosting. It's rainbow sprinkle frosting new from Dunkaroos.
Number 2. Kool-Aid Bursts.
Nothing else has a fruity Kool-Aid taste of burst. Nothing else is wild like Kool-Aid Burst. No bursts.
Kool-Aid Bursts are on the march! And now for the entire month of March, you can get $5 off any Nintendo Game Boy or Super Nintendo game by marching into a KB toy store with an empty Kool-Aid Burst 6-pack. Offer expires March 31st.
Oh yeah! Nestle Wonderful!
Number 3. Nestle Wonder Ball.
What's in my Wonder Ball? Who knows what surprises a Wonder Ball can hide? Yummy Nestle chocolate with candy shapes inside. Oh, I wonder, what's in my Wonder Ball?
Toy Story! I got Lion King. Mine's Dalmatian. Lots of candy surprises, plus a sticker. Nestle Wonder Ball. It's candy and chocolate and foil in a box.
What's in your Wonder Ball?
Uh-oh, we got trouble.
Number 4. Animal Crackers.
That's got to hurt!
Gracie!
We gotta do something! Charge!
She's back!
Let's go! Run, monkey! Run!
I'm not going to make it.
She's gonna eat monkey. Not without milk.
Mom!
Got milk.
Who is the monkey now?
And number 5. Heinz Easy Squirt Ketchup.
New Heinz Easy Squirt Ketchup has a nozzle that makes it easy to draw. On food! Heinz Easy Squirt. It's fun for your food.
If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, share, and follow for more. Thank you.